A big announcement with bigger questions. The Home Secretary announces the toughest asylum reforms in decades. Refugee status temporary. Settlement pushed back for 20 years. Financial support cut. Stricter reviews every 30 months. The headlines sound decisive. But look closer, and a bigger question appears. Will any of this actually happen? Shabana Mahmood tells the country the asylum system is broken and selling Britain as a soft touch. Her plan? No automatic benefits or housing for many asylum seekers. Refugee status reviewed every 2.5 years. Permanent settlement only after 2 decades. A shift from protection to earned security. The message is clear. Tougher rules, stricter pathways, fewer incentives. But announcements aren't laws. To become real policy, this overhaul needs a full bill, committee scrutiny, a Commons majority, and the blessing, or at least the tolerance, of the House of Lords. And that's where the brakes hit. Labour MPs are already split. The Lords historically block or delay asylum restrictions, especially those affecting rights, support, or international obligations. This alone could push implementation well into the future, or water it down beyond recognition. Even if Parliament passed the bill tomorrow, the courts will intervene immediately. Human rights groups, refugee organisations, and legal charities will file for judicial review on day one. Challenges will target non-refoulement risk, right to family life, compatibility with UN Refugee Convention, proportionality of cutting support, the fairness of repeated status reviews. Strasbourg would almost certainly get involved, and Labour will not pick a fight with the European Court of Human Rights. And even if the politics and courts allowed it, the Home Office simply can't implement a reform this large in a year or two. It needs thousands more caseworkers, redesigned systems, new review processes, new appeal structures, and new housing routes. Realistically, full implementation would take 4 to 6 years, which means it almost certainly won't happen before the next Parliament. Meaning, before Labour are already gone. So, the biggest asylum shake-up in years might exist only on paper. The government gives tough speeches, the public hears tough action, but the machinery of Parliament, law and bureaucracy says something different. Delay, dilution, and possibly derailment. Britain may be entering a new asylum era, but it may not arrive until long after the politicians who announced it are gone. Like, subscribe, comment. What a waste of fucking time. Dick Scoop for the news ferret.